Dolls are toy models of human figures. They are traditionally the most popular toys for little girls. Apart from being playful, their utility lies in how much they engage children's imagination. Making a doll is a great leisure activity, a lesson in tailoring and just being resourceful. Fold a portion of cloth to make 2 layers. Then draw a simple outline of a human figure. Secure the layers of cloth together using the safety pins. Stitch the layers together along the outline of your sketch. Make sure to leave a section unstitched. Use the scissor to cut out the stitch you made, then turn it inside out. Now fill it up firmly with cotton balls, then seal up the open area. Time now to make the upper portion of the dress. Stitch the outline of a blouse and a folded fabric. Make sure to trim off the excess. Cut the skirt portion of the dress 3 times the width of the blouse. Make 2 parallel stitches without knots or reverse stitches at the waist of the skirt. Compress the skirt to measure 2 times the length of the blouse, then stitch them together. Now turn the dress inside out and place it over the doll. Now, time to make the doll's hair. For this, wrap yarn around an object such as a box or bottle. The length here is determined by the size of the object used. Use the gel pen to detail the face of the doll. You can also use beads or any other creative means.